Real estate motivated. Baggy boy looking kind of rough. Don't even worry about it, man. Checking in on the duplex. On the walkthrough. Interior framing was complete, but it had a lot of adjustments. Had to make him go fix that and tweak that out. Here, I'm about to check on the shed. Yeah, man. Slow motion. I don't like slow motion, like motion. Steady. You know what I mean? But you can see this shit, man. Coming down, coming down. Coming down. Yeah, so finally coming together, getting the shed knocked out. The shed was 30 by 30, I believe, so it was a pretty big shed. So yeah, I wasn't initially gonna leave it, try to make it to a tiny home or something like that. But so our property line is roughly 25 feet back there. Yeah, man. You can see where the house is. So, good size lot. Getting this stuff cleaned up over the next couple days. Stuff finished. Yeah, had to get this knocked off. Yeah, man, I just didn't want those steps because we're just gonna be covering this up with siding, getting rid of these cement steps. Repair that damaged wood, cover up that with siding once complete. Yeah, man. Finally moving. Been a busy week. Yeah, passing by. Yo, check out this content that I have from the Legacy Talk. Legacy Talk is event curated by Connecting the Dots, actually creating what they're doing at the Legacy office once per month. It is actually a lot of real estate heavy hitters were there. You know, Anthony Kimball, Julian Gordon, Tevin Wade, Chris Senegal from Houston is doing development out there. Yeah, check out this clip.
Everything's going on out there. If anybody is not a part of the session that's going on, they come back here and they chill. It's only for the panelists. We have our branded waters, cups,
even with the napkins.
You know, we created a little bit of serenity here, you know, with our little succulent trays.
It's a whole vibe.
Thank you. These are also on every table up front as well. Then each of the panelists got a cool little bag. So the bag has all of those items there, as well as a Legacy Talk planner. Of course, a personalized card written from me.
Of course.
And because they gave me their time, and time is the most valuable asset because you cannot get it back. We have clocks for the men, clocks for the women.
Ooh.
So this is one of our mail clocks. You see, it is engraved there with Legacy Talk, real estate, February 5th.
With the date, because we'll be back next year? Come on.
We'll be back next month. Next month we have Generational Wealth, Legacy Talk, so it'll be there.
So let's break down exactly what is Legacy Talk.
So Legacy Talk is a really cool concept that I came up with. Anthony and Tevin told me that they were sick of me doing my random little events here that were just like paint and sip, things like that. They wanted to do something that actually helped out the community. And said they wanted to start doing stuff like with real estate, things that would help people to gain generational wealth, or, you know, tips and tricks they could give people and ways they could help the community to gain generational wealth, because that's really what it's all about.
Yeah.
So I came up with a series of host-guided conversations. I hate conferences. I hate panels. I think that's annoying.
Yeah.
So they're host-guided conversations. You have 4 sessions of 30 minutes where the host is asking questions to our panelists of heavy hitters. So we found some of the top people in real estate. We found some of the top people that work in different fields for build a generational wealth, and we're going to continue to do that. We get them together, separate them in different sessions based on what their specialties are. 30 minutes of conversation with 15-minute Q&A with the audience, and then a 30-minute panel Q&A at the very end. And of course, we end with a happy hour as always, because we're in Louisiana.
Hey, of course.
Necessary.
Can't live without it. Come on, man.
You know.
Yes. But it is a phenomenal event and a great idea that you created. You know what I mean?
It's what I do.
Definitely.
So. You need something creative? Call me.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, it's kind of bomb.
And I'm gonna catch the front as well.
You can just open it. You can see. It just goes into what Legacy Talk is. Then it gives you the agenda of the day. Remind you your Legacy Talk, the date,
speakers,
what the first edition is about, speakers and their bios, then of course somewhere you can take notes, and then all of our sponsors on the back.
I love it.
Thank you.
Where was your brochure?
Huh?
What was yours?
Oh, it's in these two. Yeah. All right.
All right. Oh.
So this is the Connecting the Dots brochure. I guess, what's the word? What is it when you roll it out? I rolled them out today, we'll say that. I rolled them out today with Legacy Talk. It just made sense that everybody gets one in their gift bags. So it explains what Connecting the Dots is and what we do. We connect people with their ideas. We do property management. We do event coordination. We do professional development retreats. And we also have a turn company that we just started with Anthony and Tevin. So this kind of just lets you know who we are, what all we do, and how to connect with us.
Hey. All right, any last words? I know you gotta get back to the event.
If you need to connect to your ideas and bring them to life, call me, because that is what I do. I literally connect the dots. Whatever you want to do, I can help you do it.
Hey, that's good. Been a good week. Was able to interview my guy Sam. Sam is doing his thing out in New Orleans, specifically Gentilly area, for a lot of construction, new construction projects, a lot of investment projects for others. Definitely doing his thing. Here's a clip of that interview.
Actual foundation is super important, man. So I have to make sure that not only am I involved, but I design it correctly for not only city inspector, but to my standards.
Yeah.
I want my properties to live 100 years. Some would say, like some properties in New Orleans, they last in the French Quarter with the materials they use, the type of wood, the type of designs. They're timeless.
Yeah.
I would like to implement the same concept with all of my properties as well. So 20 years, 50 years, 100 years, they'll still be like, wow, whoever designed this knew what they was doing.
Yeah, man. So back to it, getting this stuff done, trying to get this cleaned up probably within the next 3 to 5 days. I'm gonna be out of town next week, trying to get this done. But yeah, man, it's definitely moving. I'm gonna try to get what we got HVAC, which is AC, is gonna be starting tomorrow. Got electrical starting mid next week. Have to find a plumber. I just got a plumbing bid for $24,000. Got a plumbing bid for $24,000. Kind of crazy, man. $24,000 for a duplex. Initially, I had one from somebody else for $9,000. Then with the $12,000, and I felt some kind of way. But then I tried to get another one, and he came back at $24,000. So my original one really ain't that bad. So yeah, quick little update. Be back soon. Peace. Oh yeah, and we official. Just got pre-approved by the bank. Man, we moving motion in the ocean. We getting it. Peace.